let's talk about the converse of the previous theorem, in which we say that any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from arms of the angle. These AB and CD are two intersecting straight lines. P is any point lying on the bisector of the angle. Let's take one angle BOD. Let's take one of the angles BOD. P is lying on the angular bisector of BOD. PM is perpendicular here, PN is perpendicular onto OD. What I have to prove is that PM is equal to PN. PM will be always equal to PN, that is what I have to prove. So what is given? Given as AB and CD are two intersecting straight line, point P is lying on the bisector of the angle BOD, and PM is perpendicular to OB and PN is perpendicular to OD. I have to prove PM is equal to PN. So what I am going to do is, again I am going to take the same route, that I am going to prove the two triangles to be congruent. In triangle PMO and triangle PNO. These two triangles I have proved them to be congruent. How will I prove them to be congruent? I'll say OP is equal to OP, common arm. Reason is, not proof, here I'll write the reason. Common arm. This is a common arm. Then what we are saying is that angle POM is equal to angle PON. It is given. It is given. Angle POM is equal to angle PON. Why it is given? Because OP is the bisector. OP is the bisector. The angular bisector is the angular bisector. Is the angular bisector. Is the angular bisector. Is the angular bisector. This angle is equal to this angle. OP, I have proved them to be equal. And this angle is how much? 90. This angle is how much? 90. Angle OMP is equal to angle OMP, 90 by construction. We have drawn perpendicular. We have said PM is perpendicular to OB and PN is perpendicular to OD. So two angles and one arm of one triangle is equal to two angles and one arm of the other triangle. You would say that arm should be included. If two angles are equal, then automatically third angle will become equal, so there is no problem for that also. So triangle PMO is congruent to triangle PNO, and this is, which condition is this? AAS, two angles one side, or ASA. So when the two triangles are congruent to each other, they are going to be equal to each other in each and every respect, and that means what? That PM is equal to PN. So PM is equal to PN CPCT. And that can be proved for this side also. And if I draw a perpendicular, if I draw the bisector of AOD, I can prove by taking any point on that line also. So this brings me to the end of the two main theorems which are there in your locus course. They will be applied on the problems of construction, which I will start doing from tomorrow, the constructions. Please go through the videos which I have put on the school website on the top only. You can, when you open the website and you open the assignment, or you see the total on the top of the website, there will be assignment. On the assignment, my videos are there. Go through all the videos. I've done a lot of work for you in Standard 10. Go through all those videos. You will find them to be helpful. You will find them to be helpful because it is important We don't know when the schools are going to reopen. And because schools are not reopening very soon, but the exams will be conducted. And these exams will be important because these marks, council is going to ask for the promotion again. So better be careful. We are doing a lot of work. Our teachers are working very hard on online classes. So please attend all online classes and be careful about your attendance as well as be careful about your work, because you may be thinking that we can avoid because we just switch on the video and put our picture only there. It is not going to help. It is going to be very harmful. Thank you.